Good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday. We are back from Raleigh, from my parents' house, doing that driveway project. I spent the most of the day yesterday getting the ASV cleaned up, broke it open, dropped all the belly pans, blew it out, cleaned out the radiators. I mean, it was a whole ordeal. We got that thing cleaned up, so it's ready to start rocking and rolling. But we're on a little backyard mulching project, which is perfect for this machine right here. And I'm gonna show you guys what we got. All right, so here's what we got. Now, the lady we're working for, she owns this house, and so she's got this fence up, but the developer didn't clear any of this. This is all her property. You can see that this house has taken all of their stuff out and opened it up. So she wants to do the same. About where that fence is the property line, but we're not going that far. We're kind of just, she wants to leave this buffer here a little bit. So we're kind of gonna go about to where this big pine is, maybe through here somewhere, and just clean all this up through here. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take out all these wax myrtles and these gum trees, all this stuff along this fence, just a bunch of wax myrtles and little pines and stuff. There's not a lot through here, to tell you the truth. It's not too bad, so we should hopefully be able to get this done today. So we'll just come through, grind it all up, make it look nice. So let's get started. Hey everybody, if you're interested in getting one of these mulchers, please contact my friends over at CCE Equipment. They're a full-line dealer of Prena, Thinnis, CMOF, Fecon, Loftness, as well as ASV and Wacker Newson equipment. They carry a full line of stuff. They do sales, rentals, they ship nationwide. If you need anything, please look them up and use the promo code IDIGIT and they will hook you up. Thanks, guys. All right, everybody, we're done. It's turned out pretty good. So, pretty happy with it overall. And the owner's not here, but you know, I basically did what landscaper Greg asked me to do. So that's what we did. Now what they're going to do in here, I'm not exactly sure. I don't know if they're going to scrape all this out, turn it back into yard like that, or just wanted it, you know, opened up. I don't know if they're just going to cover it in pine straw. I don't know. They didn't tell me. He didn't tell me what they were going to do, but it's a little bit of mulch right there in the grass. I got all that cleaned up, blown out, cleaned up. So yep. When I first got this job, when I first came and looked at it, I thought about bringing the skid steer with Big Munchie, but then as I started looking through these trees, I was like, I don't know if I really want to do that. And I'm really glad I brought the Mini. The Mini was definitely the machine for the job. Plus the skid steer, I would have had to come in like this, basically, or like this. And the skid steer likes to throw things, as the drum turns, it likes to throw things back up under the machine and out. So I was really worried about covering this whole yard in mulch, other than just a few little pieces right here and right there, you know, couple of small things. There really wasn't much thrown out into the yard. So yep, that's that. So hopefully the owner's happy with it. She's not here. She came by earlier and met me. I was the first time I'd met her, and just told her, you know, what we were gonna do, and she said get it done. And I'm gonna call landscaper Greg right now, let him know it's done, and then load this machine up and get out of here. I got a pond mowing job to do tomorrow. I'm gonna try to use the MTL, the XC5, the brush cutter for the Mini on that, but when I picked it up this morning from the shop, it looks like maybe the seal in the motor has gone bad. There was some oil leaking out from where the motor mounts down to the shaft that drives the blades. There's a little bit of oil leaking out, so we'll hook it up. We'll see if it's leaking or not. I don't know. If not, I can use the mulcher. I really want to use the brush cutter, but if we have to use the mulcher, so be it. We'll make it work. So, all right, I'm gonna grab my saw, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed another. I'm telling you guys that this Mini with this mulcher is just money for jobs like this, working around this bigger timber like this. It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect for jobs like this. Way better than a skid steer, in my opinion. You can just stick that head right in between those little spots. It saves you a whole lot of hand work at the end. Like, I'd have had to do a ton of hand work. I really only had to do just a couple minutes, clean up a few things in that corner. I made a mulch pile right there, ground it down, was done. That was it. I maybe had to cut down 6 things. It was a wax myrtle and a couple little things, so that's it. So, all right, I'm gonna load her up. Off to the next job tomorrow. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, everybody.